Good day, everyone. Welcome to another Beyond Spaces Philippines house tour. Today, we will be touring a property at Don Antonio Royale Estates in Quezon City. Walking distance from a mall and just 10 minutes away from Ateneo de Manila University. The neighborhood, known for its peace and privacy, boasts a number of celebrity residents. We've reached the house. The outside is modern, luxurious looking. There's also plants and trees everywhere. Let's use this gate at the side and walk up to the second floor where your living, dining, and kitchens are located. You walk right into your grand home and it is very open and bright. There's windows everywhere. This huge space is allotted for your living area that can be extended to your balcony. This is a great place to have some coffee or just walk outside and enjoy the morning sun. You have this building that will serve as your beautiful backdrop when completed. Let's go back inside. Again, pretty open concept from living to dining and to the kitchen. This dining area can easily fit an 8-seater dining table. And we continue to the kitchen area. This home offers a full kitchen, lots of counter space with center island. You also have an enclosed service kitchen. And over here is a spacious pantry area. Let's move to this level's toilet and bath. Beautiful bathroom, very minimal, but they did minimal the correct way, I would say. And we exit on that and you reach your first bedroom. So that's your second floor. From the pivot door, you can also go up to the third floor where most bedrooms are located. By the way, the glass panels you saw on the dining area will be installed here. We're now at the third floor. You have this beautifully designed ceiling. Let's walk to the first bedroom, almost similar with the one on the second level. But this one has built-in closet and ensuite toilet and bath. From your first bedroom, you have a small storage room here. And this is bedroom number 2 on this level. It can fit a queen-size bed. And this is the toilet and bath. Moving to your bedroom number 3. Also a corner room, pretty straightforward, giving opportunity to future homeowners to add their personal touch. All 4 rooms on this level have toilet and bath. And last but not the least, the biggest room, your master bedroom. It can comfortably fit a king-size bed. You have your walk-in closet. You have the whole wall dedicated for your clothes and stuff. On this side, your double vanity and enclosed shower area. So that covers the entire 3rd floor. Let's go check out your ground floor and see what it has to offer. Let's re-enter this gate and this time go to your pool area. This is a gorgeous touch on this home, and of course all the greenery on the side. And if you are coming in from your main gate, you have this 4-car garage. Those 2 doors on the left, one leading to your staff's room with toilet and bath, and one will lead you to your receiving area. You can either go up or go to the pool area. By the way, this is your ground floor's toilet and bath. At the back of your property, you have your utility area, accessible from the garage or from the pool area. Anyway, if you have property for sale and you want us to come check it out, shoot us an email, send us some photos, and we can work something out. Now let's go up to wrap this up. For more details about this property, go to the description box. That ends our house tour for today. Thank you for watching this video. Share it if you like it or if you know anybody that would want to check this place out. See you on the next video.